Now we are going to see collaborative coefficiency. So according to Ajifrek and Varel and Dagu, have shown the mean the number of authors per publication. So the publication of single individual author means received 1 credit. If the authors, 2 authors received means 1 by 2. Just like on the basis n authors gets 1 by n. So this is the formula of collaborative coefficiency. Collaborative coefficiency is equal to 1 minus F1. F1 is the single author, then plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means joint author, 2 authors into F. In F2 means here is the 30. Then here 1 by 3 means 3 authors. The single article divided by 3 authors, contributed by 3 authors. So 1 divided by 3 into how many? 46 authors for us here. 2013, 46. Just like that. Then here the 1 by n. Then if k means, then total number of how many authors. It may be, it goes on anywhere else. Then also number of authors on the basis of the number of authors. Then here divided by n means total number. Here for us 2013, how many articles? 265. 265. Then this is the formula. Then 1 into C7. C7 means this column number. C27 plus 1 by 2, 2 by authors. So just like that, if I am pasting it, then we can see how to get it. So here I am going to the bib excel in the new folder. Already Kurkumalanga or in the turmeric, we downloaded the data from Web of Science. Web of Science. Then I am going to create one new folder in the name of CC, collaborative coefficiency for that one. Here I am copy the txt2 file here, then paste it. Then open the bib excel. Then what is our file name? Our file name is the CC, collaborative coefficiency. Then view file. Then now I am accessing this the window. Then which field we are in need? AU. First we are in need of the AU field. Then old tag, type the AU MISC, convert to dialog format, Web of Science, plain text. Then OK. Then don't forget we are in no need of the DOI number. So no. So if you give means, then without DOI number it will display the results. That result is the DOC file, doc file. Yes, sir. At the end one straight line will be there. At the end of the record, double straight line will be there. Here see ER means end of the record. Okay, select the doc file, view file, then which field? Any separated field. Any separated field, prepare, then OK, then no. That result is the out file, .out file. So here we can see first record, we can see how many authors contributing. See, 22 authors contributing the first record as per our record. Then here see third record, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 authors contributing our third record. So we are in need of this also. That also. Then select the OUT file, view file, analysis, units per record. Then OK. Then now we can get the two files, MUL file and the MUT extension file. Then MUL file means here we see the authorship pattern, single author, 2 author, 3 author. Then this is the authorship pattern. Now we are in need of the MUL file. MUL file, see, very good, super. Then first record contributed by 22 authors, third record 5 authors, second record 7 authors. Then here we are in need of the year of publication also. Yes. PY. In the old tag, type the PY means year field. PY, year of publication, publication of the year. Then add field to the units. Then OK. Then no. Then yes, sir. Yeah, super. Then here we are getting the one new file name JN1 file. Here first this one is the record, this one is the authors, total number of authors, this one is the year of publication. Okay, we can leave it here itself and go to the folder. This one is our folder. Then now I am opening the JN1 file. Open it. Then notepad or wordpad. Few seconds it will be open on the yes sir. Then Control A, Control C. Then I am opening the new worksheet. Then I am going to copy it in the A2. Select the A2, Control V, paste. Okay, please check we paste all the records or not. Yes, control down arrow means if you please means if you go you can go to the yes our record total number of records is 3894. Yes, we paste all the records. Please check it. Now go to the this column record authors, then this one is the year. Yes, then select it, shift control down arrow. Then now I am selecting, then control C. Please don't forget control C is more important. Then select the insert column, insert, then pivot table. Then automatically it rows are selected and copied. Then new worksheet. If you are familiar means you can give the existing sheet also. So new sheet. Okay. Here that authors I am putting it in the column label. Okay. Then years. Then I am drag and drop the years in the rows. Then records in the values. Here don't forget this is more important. In the values one combo will be there. Here in the combo value field settings, select the count. By that only we can get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very good. Super. So I am repeating once again. Selecting the paste the all the txt that the JN1 file here, open in the notepad and copy it in the this one is I copy in the paste it in the A2 column because A2 rows. By that only we should give the title also. Then I copied it and paste it, shift, select it, shift control down, control C and control V. Then control C, after that only select the insert pivot table. Okay, that pivot table is here. Then here in the pivot table, in the authors in the column, then years in the rows, then values in the records. Then here in the values, value field setting, count. Don't give the sum. Sum in gives automatically it will take the whole record number. So count how many, the count. Then I am selecting this label, control C. Then I am pasting it in the here. Already I done it. Now itself also I am doing it. Once again. Same thing only I had done it here itself only. So here up to 13 author. This one is the single author, 2 author, 3 author, 4 authors. Now I am giving the so 10, 12, 13. Then here after more than 13 because some other. So here I copied it. This one 1 to 13. I copied it and paste it here. Just like that. Then after that balance is the total how many? 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many? Then total number of records how much? 2013, 265. Is it correct? Yes. Up to now, up to this we should fill it up. Okay. here up to this one, we can fill it with the pivoted table column. Yes. Here we should for the calculator. Then what is the calculations? What is the formula for collaborative coefficiency? 1 minus F1 plus 1 by 2 F2 plus 1 by 3 F3 plus just like that 1 by K. Then it will goes on the base of the year authors of the publications. Here F1 means single authors F1. Then F2 means this one is two authors. One then single research papers contributed by two authors. So the credit goes to two authors. 1 by 2 into how many authors? 30 authors. So here for us, for the 2013, how many authors? 30 authors. For 3 authors, 46. So here this one is the formula. Okay. Here I am pasting it. Here first I am selecting it this field. Then how much? How can we do it? Then in the formula bar, here I am giving the equal to double opening the bracket 1 into C27. I am selecting this column C27, this one C27 plus 1 by 2 into D27, this one. Then 1 by 3 because 3 authors contribution. 1 by 3 into E27. E27 means this authors. So plus then one like that. Just like that of 1 by 3, 13 authors. 13 authors. Then more than 3 means then I am giving 1 by 14 into P27. P27 means this one. Then okay. Then divided by how many record? Total number of records n. What is my for this record? How much? 265 divided by 265. That is the results. Then CC is equal to 1 minus 69.38. This one is the result. 69.38. This results. Then divided by 265. 265 means for us the total number of the articles for the year 2013. This one is the 265. That this result is this one is equal. That result is then equal to then 1 minus then here I should divide it. 69.38 divided by 265. How much? 0.26. So here 1 minus 0.26 is then this one is R2. R2 means this one. Here also I am giving the formula. R2 this one. Then divided by Q27. R27 divided by Q27 is equal to 0.26. That means 69.38 divided by 265. Result is the 0.26. So 1 minus, here this one is the 1 minus this here. 1 minus, what is the column number? S27. This one is. Then I am repeating once again this formula. This formula is collaborative coefficiency 1 minus F1 plus divided by is equal to 1 by 2 into F2, just like that. Okay. Here I am giving here I am selecting this here. First I am selecting, I got the results of this one. This result. Okay. Then this result I am getting it. Here, how can I get it? This is the result. 69.38. How can I get it? C is equal to is the formula bar. Formula bar 1 into this one is select this one. This one is the field number, field tag C27. Okay. Then this one is the 1 by 2 D27. So this one. What is this result? This result is the 69.38. This result. Okay. Then how can I do? Then we should as per our rules we should divide it into the 265. So this one is the result. Then for that purpose only this divided by this one 69.38 divided by 265. 265 means total records. Then result is the 0.26, this one. Then here, then what is the formula for collaborative coefficient? 1 minus, we should minus it for the 0.74. 0.74. 0.74, how can I get it? 1 minus 0.26 is equal to 0.74. This one is the collaborative coefficiency. Okay, if I have got the results, means if you drag means, then automatically we can get the results. Okay, this one is the collaborative coefficiency. The value should be 0 to, between the value may be 0 to 1 because single authors. So if there is no single author means, then value may be 0. So we are having every author, for every, yes, every authorship pattern, single, 2 author, 3 author, more than 13 only we are missing something. So here this is the formula for, by that only the first half of the work I done with the Bib Excel. Then I go to the top Excel sheet in the pivot table. Then this formula got from the Excel sheet. So this one is the collaborative coefficiency. So if we can get to the single first year, 1 year, then we can drag and drop for the all the years. Thank you.